Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato and this is by MiniGT. So this color is Bianco Asobo. So the way they name this colors, it's really not easy to pronounce. And being Italian, it's in Italy. I mean Italian, I guess. Whatever it is. Okay. Me just try to cut it out like this. Let's see if I'm okay. I think okay. So I think I bought this for 1099, somewhere around 1099 to 1199, but not more than that. So a lot of people are reselling this for more than 1200 and 1300. Don't buy from them. So just wait and just look in websites. You will get it for the right price. Okay. Let me just put this back in. So here is the casting itself. So out of the box the casting looks so beautiful. I mean the white with black and red accent, and that looks really nice. So they do have acrylics for headlights, but it the lights inside are actually painted inside that acrylic. And okay, the LED lights here, it looks good, but it is not that much detail. I think Sparky did a better job in this one, if I'm not wrong. So I need to relook on either the video or the actual casting. So the wheels are actually plastic, and this tires are rubber. You can see that is a little bit out. We just push that in. Okay, so the entire casting is metal, if you guys are wondering, except for the part this rear view mirrors here. Those are some kind of silicon. I'm really not sure why MiniGT is doing that. They could have just went with metal or at least some plastic piece instead of silicon. And let's see the tail lights. I don't know if it is dust or some scrap here. So it does have acrylics for the tail lights. I hope you guys can able to see. So it is painted on top of that. The logo placement is really nice and it is clear. The exhaust detail looks really nice. Let me just look at the front side. The logo placement is really nice. So here is the engine, but since it's not openable or anything, I hope so. Yeah, you can't open this. So it just says V10 here. That's it. The roof scoop here. It has good interior detail to it. So everything looks really nice, and I really wish they had that extra tire on top. Like Sparky did. Even Sparky has two versions, one without the tire like MiniGT does. I was not able to get that one, but I'm happy that I got the one with tire because now I have both the variations, which is really nice. So it has windshield wipers as well. I'm really not sure how these people who are driving the Lamborghini able to look in the rear view or the middle rear view mirror. So in this one it is not even there, because if you take any Lamborghini, like most of the ones, it doesn't have any like cutouts or glass piece or anything here. You can't even see back there, especially the older Countach or Miura, whatever you take, you can't able to see in the rear from this center rear view mirror. Okay, let's weigh this casting and see how much this weighs. Okay, just turn it on. That's it, 38 grams. So I was expecting actually more, since it's full metal and everything, I was expecting somewhere around at least 50 grams. But it just comes around that Hot Wheels range, if you ask me. But there is no, see, there is nothing movable or anything here, but it does looks absolutely gorgeous. I need to say that. I don't see any paint flaw or anything. That is just my fingerprint. It is there in that, here. I was just trying to show you that rear, tail light details. So it happened. The rims are really awesome. Okay, let's do a roll test. I know it is not going to roll like Hot Wheels or any other casting or even Tomica, but let's see. It does roll really smooth and it does roll really well. Maybe not covering the distance, but I don't see any wheel wobble or anything. Maybe little on the front wheel, but yeah, but nothing much. It does roll really well, if you ask me. So anyway, this is supposed to be a character model, not a toy to be played with. But I'm happy that it is rolling. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.